Chisago Lakes football program has a total team philosophy and does not wish to recognize any individual players at this time. But with the entire Chisago Lakes football team, moves, stop, forward! Tonight's game is being played under the guidance of the Minnesota State High School League. Please respect the decisions of the officials and support the play of both teams. The Chisago Lakes High School asks to all please join in the cooperative effort to encourage good sportsmanship. We ask that you're cheering for the team